Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the hardware and gathering credentials. First, make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter is on and battery is above 20%. This prevents sudden shutdowns. Next, have the hotspot name and password ready, WPA2 or WPA3 recommended for security. Open Windows Settings or Mac OS Network Preferences now, because you'll need the Wi-Fi list and sharing options immediately. Once done, locate the hotspot SSID in the available networks so you can connect in the next step. You'll now connect and confirm network trust. From the Wi-Fi list, select the hotspot SSID and hit connect. If it's hidden, use add network and type SSID manually. Enter the password carefully and use the show option to avoid typos. Passwords are case sensitive. After a successful handshake, Windows or Mac OS will ask for network type. Choose private or home for file sharing if you trust the hotspot, otherwise select public. Make sure your IP is assigned via DHCP. If not, switch to automatic addressing. You finish by verifying connectivity and fixing common errors. Open a browser and load a page or run a quick ping to confirm internet access. Speed tests help identify slow links. If you cannot access the web, temporarily disable VPN or firewall to isolate the issue, then re-enable them once resolved. If problems persist, toggle your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter off and on or reboot the host device's hotspot. Key troubleshooting tip. If authentication fails repeatedly, retype password on both devices and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.